Hi everyone, let's learn how you can make a beautiful Christmas tree cake for Christmas night. First, make a cone shape out of the bread. Now spread this white whipped cream on the top of it. Make it even like we're doing here. Spin it like this and look, it's done. Then you can decorate it like we are decorating it in a unique way. We are putting strawberries on the top of it. Look how pretty and healthy this cake is looking. Now make textures on the top of it. So remove the whipped cream from the nozzle and fill the cone like this. Now you can also put this beautiful bow shape on the top and some Santa Claus on the ground, and look at this beautiful Christmas tree, how pretty this is looking. We are going to remove this red whipped cream on the top of this cake and make it even like this. Here we are going to leave a little surface on the edge, and we are making this flowy white cream on the edge of it, and look how pretty this is looking. Now using this strawberry stick we are making Christmas tree. So remove the green cream on the top of it and look, your Christmas tree is ready. Similarly we are making two snowmans here as well. So make two round balls and make the hat as well, make their eyes like we're doing here, and look, it is ready. You can also make Santa Claus for more decoration, and look how pretty this cake is looking for Christmas Day. Here we are going to make a beautiful large cake. We are also adding some fruits at the center. So cut the bread. Here we are going to make it even. Now we are going to make two balls and cover it using this white whipped cream like this. Make it even like we are doing here. Spin the table and look, it's done. After this we are going to add more layers. We are putting this red cream on the top of it. We are making this beautiful pattern. So remove the cream from the nozzle. Here we are going to make a hat like this, and look, it's done. Similarly we're adding a layer of white ball on the top of it, and look, it's done. Now we are going to make more details. We're adding a muffler. Here we are making a snowman. So we are adding beautiful layers. Look how we are removing the cream and it's looking so pretty. And look, your hat is ready. Now make the muffler as well, and look at the knitting pattern we are making on the top of the muffler using the green cream, and look, it's done. Similarly we're adding more layers of cream around it. We're adding buttons at the center, its eyes, and look how pretty the snowman is looking. We're also making the rosy cheeks using brush, and look, it's done. You can make this beautiful cake for your kids. I'm sure they're gonna love it this winter. Let's decorate this cake in an easy way. Here we are going to remove the white whipped cream. Look how you can make a beautiful pattern like this. Remove the cream from the nozzle, and you have to spin the table in a very slow form, and you will get this wavy pattern at the end. Look, it's done now. And look, similarly you can add strawberries at the center, and how easily this cake is done. Thank you so much for watching this video.